So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select this PC. And now on the right hand side, on the top right, it's going to be saying search this PC. You want to click right here. And you want to search for size : gigantic. And it's now going to be showing all of your files that's larger than 125 MB. So if you have any files here that you don't use, you could just delete them. You could just right click on it and then click on delete. Now after you delete these files, we're going to go to our desktop. You want to find your recycle bin and you want to right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes. This should free up a lot of your storage. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in power cfg space -h space off and then click on enter. For the next step, we're going to head over to search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to delete any programs here that you don't use. To do that, let's say that I want to delete Microsoft News. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again. You want to remove all the programs that you don't use. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you just want to tick everything here. However, you can actually read through these and see if you use them or not, but you most likely don't. So you can read the description right here if you want to, but you most likely don't even use these. So you can just tick all of them. And now you want to click on clean up system files. And you now want to select everything here again. Again, you can read these if you want to in the description if you are using these, but you're most likely not. So for me, I'm just going to select everything. And then click on OK. And then click on delete files. And that should now clear up some storage on your drive. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to click on show more categories. And you could just go through all these categories right here and then see if there's anything that you could delete. And then once you go through all of that, we're going to go back to storage. Make sure that you have storage sense turned on and you can click on clean up recommendations. If there's any recommendations that come up right here, you could just follow them. And then once you go through all of that, if it lets you, I recommend emptying out your recycle bin again. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.